Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to print multiple photos on one page on mobile. Let's get started. Step 1. First, take your mobile and open the Gallery app. You can find the app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Once you're in the Gallery app, you will see all your saved photos and videos. Select the multiple photos you want to print by tapping on each one. Step 3. After selecting the photos, tap on the Create option located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Then choose the Collage option from the menu. Step 4. Now you will see various collage layout options on your screen. Browse through the options and select the layout you prefer. Step 5. Next, tap on the ratio icon within the Collage menu. Here, you will see different ratio options. Choose the ratio you prefer and confirm by tapping the Save button at the top right corner. Your collage will be saved immediately. Step 6. Go back to the Gallery menu and you will find the newly created collage in your saved photos. Select the collage photo along with any other photos you want to print. Step 7. Once selected, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner and choose the Print option. Now you can easily print multiple photos on one page directly from your mobile. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.